Hello everybody, it's day 3 at the Hanu Reddy Mango Farm. Back to seeing Mr. Hanu Reddy the way we always see him. Warm, hospitable and happy. Lovely to see you yet another time,
Lovely to see you too.
Thank you once again. Also tell me, the mango eating competition is about to begin in a few more moments. Tell us about how this idea came to your mind and how did you think about it initially?
Basically, I want people to get involved in the mangoes, irrespective. Sometimes it is lost in the crowd, all the other things that we are doing. But the whole idea of coming here is about mangoes. And you put your teeth into it, and then when you have a sense of competition, there's excitement among the people who are participating. And they enjoy the mango, they want to win. Children become adults, adults become children. And to see all of them participating and rooting for each other and sitting on the table, it brings out the flavor of this whole thing.
6 glorious years of having the biggest mango festival in the world. Tell me, how much do you miss once these 4 weeks are done and you're back in the US?
We are preparing for the next one. So the way I look at it is, I'm one day closer to the next event, right? When it's over, I'm one day closer. Every day I'm closer. So I really don't look back. And then we start getting ideas of what to do as we get closer. It gets more intense. And every time we come up with something new to make it exciting for ourselves and for the people. But the most important thing is people are taking their time to come here. I want to make it an extraordinary experience. India is one of the largest producers of food. So the farmers have been working diligently for thousands of years bringing us food. But now with the globalization of travel and the travel industry and experiences, people are into experiences. If we can teach the farmers not just to sell produce, but take it one step further. How is the food made? How are you growing it? Be part of the experience. So 1 kilo of mangoes, maybe 200 rupees. 1 kilo of mango converted to food, an ice cream or a dish, it becomes 500 rupees. Allow them to experience the farm for a night, it becomes 5,000 rupees. So the income of the farmer goes up beyond produce. Then once the income goes up, the GDP of the country goes up. So my slogan is, farmers have always brought food to our table. It's high time we gave them a seat at the table.
All the very best with how many ever glorious years of Mango Festival that you would wish to have, we would wish to see, and we would wish to eat a lot of mangoes from your farm.
Mango Festival பத்தி விஜய் சொல்லி தெரியும். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஹனு எனக்கு நிறைய தடவை சொல்லியிருக்காரு. Being my classmate, நிறைய தடவை he has invited me, but I didn't get the opportunity to come. இன்னைக்கு வந்து பார்த்தா I was stunned. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு தோப்பா, மாந்தோப்பு, அதுவும் சாப்பாடு வெரி குட். என் லைஃப்பில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பூரியை மாங்கோ ரசம் தொட்டு சாப்பிட்ருக்கேன். பூரி பொட்டேட்டோ சப்ஜி தான் இருக்கும். ஆம் ரசம் வந்து சாப்பிட்டது கிடையாது. ரெண்டாவது, எப்பாவது வீட்டில் உண்டு பழைய சோறு. இங்கே அந்த பழைய சோறு சாப்பிட்டேன். பழைய சோறு அது மேலே நீராகாரம் ஸ்பெஷல். அப்புறம் இந்த மேங்கோ ஈட்டிங் காம்படிஷனுக்கு பாருங்கள், அது ஒருத்தர் ஜட்ஜாக ஒருத்தர் இருக்கார். அவர் சுரண்டி பார்க்குறார் சாப்பிட்டியா இல்லையான்னு. அது ஒன்று. அப்புறம் தோப்பில் போய் வேணுங்கிற மாங்காயெல்லாம் பறிச்சு பண்ணுறது, இது அமெரிக்காவில் பார்த்துருக்கேன். ஆப்பிள் ஃபார்முக்குள்ளே போய் பறிச்சுட்டு எடை போட்டு பண்ணலாம். பட் அதோடு சரியாக போயிடும். இங்கே அப்படி இல்லை. அது மட்டும் இல்லை, இவ்வளோ நேரம் நீங்கள் என்ஜாய் யுவர் செல்ஃபுங்கிறது வித் நேச்சர்.
I think he's really made it into a dreamland. And public மட்டும் இல்லை, இங்கே வர்றவங்க ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் இது ஒரு அழகான மனசில் ஒரு மெமரபிள் இவெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். அதுவும் அதனால தான் இதை பார்த்துட்டு நான் 1000 குழந்தைகளை இங்கே கொண்டு வரணும்னு நினச்சேன். ஸோ அதுவும் அண்டர் ப்ரிவிலேஜ் சில்ட்ரன் எப்படி என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஏன்னா நீங்கள் பாரம்பரிய கலைகள், பாரம்பரிய சாப்பாடு, அதுவும் மேங்கோவில் இவ்வளோ டிஷ்ஷஸ் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு இங்கே வந்து பார்த்து தான் தெரிஞ்சுட்டேன்.
Very unique experience. Because when we were all children, we used to enjoy lots with the greens and all. Nowadays, it's very difficult to find greenery. inside the city, and all our children are less privileged. I have a daughter, but she had some exams and all online, so she couldn't come today. She couldn't attend today. I feel sorry for her because I had a very nice experience today, unique one.
I was very surprised. They are juggling and they performed very well. And as well as I joined Mango Festival, which I had to eat as much as fast. I had to eat every piece also, so it was too difficult for me.
Full 6 hours, 7 hours that we get to have a variety of entertainment for the kids because their attention span is really less and they want to explore so many activities, which is what is exactly laid out. Physical exercise that they have to do, or just bathe in the pump set and relax, or do a painting. So everything activity is covered here, from physical to creative to relaxing themselves.
I went to all the old golden games of our olden days, like including that tire game, Mallanguri, we call it Mallanguri, then what is it called, that stone game, Ludo, snake and ladder, everything we tried in the morning. And we were reliving our younger days.
Childhood memories.
There are many stuff over here, so like balance walk, mango spa, and the ice creams.
So which one caught your eye?
I think balance walk, yeah.
Oh, nice. That's so nice.
I just want to try it out.
It was a different experience. We enjoyed every moment which were inside the tent as well as outside the tent. Inside the tent, we were on to ourselves. We had all the comfort inside. And outside, we enjoyed it because it was open air with lovely trees around, and we could just do what we wanted. It was a day off for us.
This is the first time to attend this. I enjoyed a lot. That too, pump water center. We enjoyed pump 1 hour. We enjoyed, and also sprinkle water. We danced there half an hour, and also night stay. Comfortable with fan, all facilities. Food is also very, very nice. I can't eat full. After 1 hour, I will come and eat. Okay? Thank you, thank you.
நாங்கள் எங்கள் டீமில் எல்லாருமே 50 years மேலே தான். ஆனால் we are feeling that we are 15. we have come to our teenage. So that all credit goes to Hanu Reddy.
After being in the concrete jungle, this jungle is enjoying the nature. Being with the nature, maybe our faces are fresh like this. And your mango salsa.
Simply superb.
Such a wild.
எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலாக அந்த ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கல் கோர்ஸில் முதல்ல போகும்போது அஃப்கோர்ஸ் ஃபுட்டு அதெல்லாம் பார்த்தேன், நேச்சர். பட் அந்த ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கல் கோர்ஸ் தான் ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ அதில் ஆரம்பித்து அப்புறம் அஃப்கோர்ஸ் ஃபுட்டு வந்து இதை விட ஐ திங்க் வார்த்தைகளில் சொல்ல முடியாது. ஏன்னா இவ்வளோ சாய்ஸஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஃபுட், இதை விட nothing more left to say.
Hi, so I made this, and I think I'm doing this after 20 years. When I was 10 or 12 years old, I used to go to meet my grandparents, and my grandfather, sadly he's no more, bless his soul, he used to take me for pottery classes. So it's very nostalgic, so I'm very proud of myself.
ஆக்சுவலாக ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. ஒரு கிராமத்து செட்டப் இங்கே வந்து நம்ம சென்னை பக்கத்துலேயே வந்து கிடைக்குது. நாங்கள் வந்து நேற்று நைட்டே வந்து ஸ்டே பண்ணோம். எக்ஸாக்டிக்கில் வந்து ஸ்டே பண்ணியிருந்தோம். பம்ப் செட்டு, பாட்ரி, ப்ளஸ் வந்து அந்த உரியடி, ப்ளஸ் இந்த கேம்ஸ்லாம் நாங்கள் வந்து சின்ன வயசில் பார்த்தது தான். இப்போ வந்து திருப்பி பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு.
லீஃப் பெயிண்ட் பண்ணேன்.
லீஃப் பெயிண்ட் பண்ணீங்களா? வேற என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணீங்க அதவன்?
வேற அதுக்கப்புறமா இங்கே வந்து பல்லாங்குழி விளையாட போனேன். அதுக்கப்புறமா அங்கே ஆடு வளர்க்குறாங்கல்ல, அங்கே போய் பார்க்கணும்னு சொன்னேன். அதுக்குள்ளே எனக்கு ரெஸ்ட் ரூம் வந்துருச்சு. ரெஸ்ட் ரூம் போனோன்ட்டு இங்கே வந்திருக்கேன்.
When we came here, we were completely surprised by the extent of what is being held here, and then the professional atmosphere in which this whole thing is being done, and the longest table in the world, and the regenerative ideas what they are having to use all the waste and all those things. The spread of the food was amazing. Taste was excellent, and then so many things we learned on this. And we have everything available for the kids. Kids will love the most and all the traditional items like the curry, what do you call silambam, and then the undiko, all those things, and even plowing and the cart, bullock cart, and so many things, and spread over a vast area and plucking mangoes with our own hand. Amazing novel ideas, and I can see it is full. I think around 1,300, 1,400 people have come here.
Yeah.
Extremely good, and I suggest that every one of the Chennaites should come here and enjoy the visit.
So what inspired you to start Pushpa's Kitchen?
We enjoyed my mother's cooking all our life. We lived a life where food was very important, and my mother made it a point to get the best and was able to make dishes that suited every member of the family and our friends. So we celebrated that throughout our life, and then even afterwards, when different members of our family formed their own families, that root, what we learned at the dining table of my parents, continued. And I thought, why are we restricting ourselves to just the family, the joy of my mother's cooking? Why not we take it to the street?
So, ma'am-oda ஏதாவது particular dish வந்து இப்போ வரைக்கும் நீங்க follow பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா? Do you have that in your menu card or culinary, sir?
Absolutely. In fact, many of the dishes that we are eating today, the root is from hers. So the beauty is you can go to any sister of mine, their home, or any sister-in-law, that root. For example, the way she does that, not biryani, but neyyannam, that is that thing. The same thing you'll see everywhere. For example, the way she does the noonu vankai, that means the brinjal, same style, it will go everywhere. Then some Burmese dishes, they make kauswe, moinga, and all that thing. Everywhere you find those signature dishes, very, very, very similar. And then the way she does the shrimp fry, chicken fry, mutton fry. So when I had that big event here, H20 event, the shrimp was made exactly the way my mother makes, done by one of the chefs.
So what is very specific about Pushpa's Kitchen?
The sourcing of ingredients. For 80 to 100 years, the family has known how to get the right materials from the right sources, the right vendors. I think that's a huge part, so that there's no adulteration, there's no contamination in the food. So we are using that same sourcing of materials to take it to the public. And one ingredient that made the food so tasty is that love to serve the people who eat it. When you see the joy in the person's face when they eat the food, we have that great sense of satisfaction. I think that's kind of built into the culture of the family, the people who work in our family, and now that's gone to the organization. So it has caught on to them. That's why you see those people happily doing what they're doing, sourcing and making food with love to give people a great experience.